Hi, this is Barbara Brown. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sink salad. Now I'll just tell you why I call it a sink salad, because by the time you put all this wonderful green stuff in, it grows and grows and grows, and I haven't found a bowl big enough to mix it all up in. So I just call it the sink salad because it all winds up, all the cut up pieces wind up in the sink, and I swish them all around and then I bag them. The sink salad becomes the power greens that I put into my ultimate shake every morning. They're some of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can find. Here are the ingredients you need: a mix of spring assorted lettuces, a power blend that contains kale, chard, and spinach. Then I'm cutting off the tops of carrots, radishes, and beets. I'll also be chopping up Swiss chard and red kale. Be sure to buy only organic. Step 1, wash the ingredients and drain them in colanders. Step 2, chop them up. Step 3, put them into a big bowl or the sink like I do, because I never have a large enough bowl. Step 4, stuff the mix into plastic bags and put them in the freezer so your sink salad is ready for your ultimate power breakfast. This is Barbara Brown. On behalf of the team at Whole Life Whole Health, thanks for watching, and until next time, make today matter.